I'm making delicious Cajun prawns. Flavor you can see. And here's me eating some. Oh my god, it's so delicious. Yum. Ingredients you need: Cajun seasoning, butter, garlic, fresh raw green prawn. And here's the close-up. So this is what you do. Peel the middle of the shell of the prawn and do it to all of them. Leave the heads and the tails. Pull out the poo shoot. That's what I'm doing here. Now melt the butter, add the garlic, add the Cajun seasoning, give it a mix. Add more Cajun seasoning, give it a mix with your hand. Add the butter Cajun mix, and here's me adding it. And I'm going to give it a mix with my hand. Add oil to a pan, wait till it's hot and cook. Prawn should be about 30 seconds on each side, or till they're orange in colour, and then turn them all. And there you go guys, how simple. Yum! Why don't you give it a try?